Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are using Microsoft Edge, and even if you're not, there was a update for Edge this Friday, June the 12th. I don't know why I keep saying July. I'm 1 month ahead. June 12th, 2026. And this, of course, is has a few bug fixes, but it's mostly for the security updates. We did see that there were about something like 28 security updates this week for Chromium, much less than the 420 some that were last week when they changed version. So on Edge, you go to the upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots. You go down to Help and Feedback. You go to About Microsoft Edge. And here you'll be moved to version 149.0.4022.69. And this is the latest version for Edge. And it has, of course, all the security updates for the week and some bug fixes. So nothing else to monitor on this, no new features or anything. So to stay safe, I always say even if you don't use Edge, you should update it, because sometimes you click a link and Microsoft forces you to open Edge rather than your favorite browser, unfortunately. So you should really check out everything, make sure that everything is up to date to stay safe on your PC. And updates for security are the number one thing that keeps you safe. The next is your behavior on the internet. Antivirus, like I always say, is not even making the top 10 when you ask security geeks what keeps you safe. So check it out. It is out now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.